Deciding what to invest your hard-earned money into can be overwhelming. Make the wrong move and you could be losing hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month. Even crypto mining veterans get stressed out trying to figure out which miner is the best choice. Today, I'm going to help you put those fears to rest. I'm going to show you a valuable tool and teach you how to properly run profitability numbers on mining equipment. The best part about it is it's absolutely free. So if you're tired of leaving money on the table, keep watching, smash the like button, and let's get into it. To help you understand how important this is and how much money you stand to gain or lose, I've decided to focus on one of the most profitable and reliable miners available today. This crypto miner runs an algorithm that isn't just a flash in the pan. It has stood the test of time and takes advantage of a mining strategy called merge mining. Don't worry, we'll get into what merge mining is later in the video. The algorithm that I'm talking about is Scrypt. Scrypt mining Litecoin and Dogecoin at the same time has proven to be less risky and a great start for new miners. Litecoin and Dogecoin both have larger market caps and higher amounts of available liquidity when compared to newer ASIC mineable coins. What does that mean? It means there's less volatility and less violent swings in price action because there is enough money in the system to absorb sell pressure. This helps reduce risk and helps ensure that the miner you purchase has more potential to stay profitable. The miner I've decided to use for my example today is the 21 gigahash per second AlphaPax DG2 Plus. I had the opportunity to run the AlphaPax DG2 for several weeks at my home, and I gotta tell you, I was impressed by this miner. Even through a difficult to navigate bear market, this miner has stayed profitable, while other altcoin ASICs unfortunately have had wild swings in profitability. Here's where things get even more interesting. One of the reasons why I've been using EMCD to run profitability numbers for my miners is because they take the guesswork out of merge mining. Remember earlier when I told you that you can mine two large market cap coins at the same time? Well, here's some important information I wish I knew right off the bat when I started crypto mining. When you mine the Scrypt algorithm, you're not only mining Dogecoin and Litecoin, but you're also mining Bell's Coin, Lucky Coin, Pepe Coin, Junk Coin, and Dingo. Now, these are smaller market cap coins, so their price does fluctuate and can swing wildly, but here's the beauty of it. Merge mining these coins doesn't cost you anything extra. Since it doesn't cost you more to mine, there's no risk in mining them, and the volatility I talked about earlier can now work in your favor. It doesn't take much money to move the needle upward on the price of some of these low market cap coins. It's like getting free money to run the same machine using the same amount of electricity. You get all the upside potential of mining lower market cap coins with none of the risk of buying a miner specific to only one algorithm. If you're not merge mining, then you're leaving profit on the table. Merge mining is the secret sauce that helps you gain a massive profitability edge. So what are the downsides? The downside of merge mining is that it can be extremely confusing to calculate profitability because now you're trying to keep track of complicated metrics on 6 different cryptocurrencies. When you mine and calculate profitability, you need to know the price of the coin, the hash rate on the network, which affects your rewards, fees from different mining pools, how much it costs to exchange each coin, how much of each coin you mine, and so on. It can be a massive headache. I personally have lost coins and money because of the complications involved in merge mining. So how do we avoid losing money? Well, the tools I'm going to show you today have helped me immensely. EMCD has taken all the headaches I mentioned above out of the equation with their profitability tools and a feature called automated accounting. This is a game changer when you're dealing with so many merge-mineable coins and your hard-earned money is on the line. EMCD takes all the guesswork and confusion out of it so you can focus on building and maintaining your farm. You would expect to pay more in fees considering the problems that EMCD handles for you, but surprisingly, they also have an extremely low mining fee of just 1.5%. Using the profitability calculator and automated accounting for all of those merge-mined coins will save you a ton of time and money on exchange fees. Even Caspa has a merge-mineable coin on EMCD called Canxium. The reason I like EMCD setup is because they tell you straight up what you can expect to receive in these merge-mineable coins based on current network conditions and the real performance numbers from their pool in the previous 24 hours. I also love that you don't have to set up multiple different wallets on multiple different exchanges to receive your payouts. Each coin is credited to its own wallet in EMCD. You don't need to do anything, payouts happen automatically. Now that you understand some background on merge mining and how complicated it could be, let me show you how easy EMCD has made it. Head over to emcd.io. Don't worry, I'll leave the official link in the description. That way, all you have to do is click on it. Go to your dashboard and look over to the right side of the page And boom, there it is, the EMCD Merge Mining Profit Calculator. Now all you have to do is pick whichever algorithm you want to mine from the drop-down menu. They have multiple different coins you can mine, but like I said, today we'll focus on Scrypt mining. So now you can see all the different coins that will be mined all at once with your Alphabax DG2+. Like I said earlier, we've got Litecoin, Dogecoin, Bells Coin, Lucky Coin, Pepe Coin, Junk Coin, and Dingo. They show you exactly how much of each coin you can expect to receive based on their hash rate calculations and the total value of those coins based on the current price of each. You can also spread the time frame out to 1 week or get an estimate for up to 30 days. Next, you'll need to input your hardware's hash rate. The DG2+ is capable of about 21 gigahash per second, so we'll punch that number in. EMCD fees are competitive, especially for Scrypt mining at 1.5%, so we'll leave that number as is for the calculations. As soon as you punch those numbers in, the calculation is automatic, and the number you see is the income you can expect from merge mining all of those different coins. That's how easy they've made this. Now we just have to calculate the electricity cost to run the machine. I just use a free basic electricity calculator, and I'll leave the link to this calculator in the description as well. So 3,900 watts running 24 hours a day at a typical hosting rate of about 8 cents per kilowatt hour gives us a daily electricity cost of $7.49. So now we'll take the net income of $13.21 and subtract $7.49, and there you have it. Today, we're getting $5.72 in daily profit. No headaches, no bouncing between multiple wallets and exchanges, merge mining profit calculations right on the pool. So why bother with this calculator? Well, mining is just about buying hardware and plugging it in. Electricity can eat up to 50% or more of your profit, and without crunching the numbers, you might end up in the red. EMCD's tool helps you optimize, maybe tweak your hash rate settings or compare coins to see which one's more profitable right now. Plus, since it's tied to their pool, you can seamlessly switch to mining with them if the numbers look good. They offer VIP perks for big hash rate contributors like lower fees or customer support, so it's worth checking if you do scale up. One pro tip, always double check the inputs with your actual gear specs and keep an eye on market trends because things like coin prices and difficulty adjustments can shift fast. EMCD also has a mobile app where you can monitor this stuff on the go, which ties right into the calculator for real-time updates. So that's a rundown on merge mining coins and using EMCD's tools to calculate your mining profitability. If you're thinking about getting into mining or switching pools, head over to their site, play around with the calculator. It's free, super user-friendly. Like I said, I'll leave links to everything in the description. If you use some of those links, you can get some sweet discounts, and it also helps support the channel. So let me know what you think in the comments if you've tried EMCD or have questions about your setup. If the video helped, smash the like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, hit the bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep it decentralized for the greater good. The greater good.